Welcome back to Garage Report. Today we're talking about a major power tool deal that DIYers, contractors, and garage enthusiasts should definitely know about. Lowe's is currently running a DeWalt promotion where you can get a free battery valued around $169 when you purchase select DeWalt 20-volt tools. For anyone already invested in the DeWalt 20-volt platform, this is one of the better tool promotions we've seen this season. Let's break down what the deal actually is, which tools qualify, and how you can make sure you don't miss the free battery when checking out. First, the promotion itself. During this DeWalt sale event at Lowe's, certain DeWalt 20-volt Max XR tools are eligible for a free 5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. This is the larger capacity battery that typically sells for around $160 to $170 depending on the retailer. The battery is often included as a free gift when you purchase a qualifying bare tool. The key detail here is that these are usually tool-only purchases. That means the tool does not normally come with a battery or charger. However, when you add the tool to your cart during the promotion, Lowe's automatically adds the 5 amp-hour battery to the cart at $0. If the battery does not appear in the cart, the tool may not be part of the promotion. Now let's talk about some of the tools that commonly qualify for this deal. One of the most popular options is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR brushless impact driver. This tool is compact, powerful, and ideal for driving screws, lag bolts, and construction fasteners. Because the tool itself is often priced around the same value as the battery, getting the battery free makes this one of the best values in the promotion. Another tool frequently included in the deal is the DeWalt XR oscillating multi-tool. This is an extremely versatile tool used for cutting drywall, trimming door jambs, sanding small areas, and making precise plunge cuts. If you do renovation work or home projects, this tool can quickly become one of the most used tools in your shop. The promotion sometimes also includes tools like the XR high torque impact wrench. This is the type of tool mechanics and automotive enthusiasts use for lug nuts, suspension work, and heavy-duty fasteners. With the added runtime of the 5 amp-hour battery, it becomes even more capable for demanding jobs. In addition, you may find compact drills, brushless combo kits, or specialty tools included in the offer depending on store inventory. Because Lowe's promotions can vary by region and by store availability, it's always a good idea to check the product page and confirm the free gift is attached to the deal. Now let's go over how to actually get the free battery. Step 1 is to open the product page for a qualifying DeWalt 20-volt tool. Look for wording that says free gift with purchase or free DeWalt battery. Step 2 is to add that tool to your cart. Step 3 is to check the cart carefully. You should see the DeWalt 5 amp-hour battery appear as a separate item with the price reduced to $0. If you do not see the battery in your cart, the tool may not be part of the promotion or the deal may have expired for that item. Step 4 is to complete the purchase as normal. The battery ships with the order or is included for store pickup, depending on how you choose to receive the product. For anyone building out their tool collection, this type of promotion is a great opportunity. Batteries are one of the most expensive parts of cordless tool systems. Getting a high-capacity battery included with a tool purchase can significantly increase the overall value of the deal. It's also worth mentioning that these promotions usually run for a limited time. Tool events like DeWalt Days or seasonal sales often last a few weeks or until inventory runs out. If you're thinking about picking up a new drill impact driver or oscillating tool, this may be a good time to do it. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for maximizing these types of tool deals. Always compare bare tool prices. Sometimes the promotion works best when the tool price is close to the value of the battery. Check multiple qualifying tools. Some tools provide much better overall value than others. And finally, if you're already using the DeWalt 20-volt system, extra batteries are always useful since they extend runtime and reduce downtime on projects. If you want to see the exact tools currently included in the promotion, we'll place the Lowe's links in the description so you can check availability and pricing. That's it for today's Garage Report. If you enjoy finding the best tool deals, garage upgrades, and DIY gear news, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Garage Report.